deadlocks in operating system. The core concepts of deadlock is defining the settlement in computing. What is deadlock? A deadlock is a situation where a set of processes are blocked because each process is holding a resource and waiting for another resource acquired by some other process. Let's think of a four-way interaction with heavy traffic. If every car moves forward simultaneously, they block each other and no one can move until someone blocks. So for deadlock to be happen, we require four Kaufman conditions. First is mutual exclusion, which states resources cannot be shared. Only one process can be used at a resource at a time. Second, hold and wait. A process holds at least one resource and is waiting for additional resource. Third, no prescription. Resources cannot be forcibly taken from a process. They must be released voluntarily. Fourth, circular wait. A closed chain of processes exists when each process waits for a resource held by the next. Resource allocation graphs, that is RAG. It requires nodes, that is processes and resources. Then request edge, direct edge from process to resource, that is P to R. Assignment edge, directed edge from resource to process, that is R to P. Cycle detection. If a graphs contain a cycle and resources have single instances, a deadlock exists. How we can handle a deadlock? First strategy would be break one of the four Kaufman conditions, then dynamically check resource requests. Second, static. Limit how resources are requested. Deadlock avoidance dynamic requires future knowledge. For efficiency, deadlock prevention is low, leads to resource underutilization, but avoidance is high because it requires more overhead. Example for deadlock prevention, pre-allocation of all resources, and for avoidance, Banker's algorithm. Avoidance and Banker's algorithm. The OS ensures it never enters an unsafe state where a deadlock could potentially occur. For allocation check, before granting a request, the OS stimulates the allocation to see if it can still satisfy all the processes or not. Resource utilization versus strategy. This is how the graph is. Note, higher utilization often comes with higher deadlock risk and complexity. The ostrich algorithm is common in users OS like Windows and Linux.